Hi, I'm Andy with Holiday Automotive. Today we're going to take a look at a 2016 Ford Escape. Stock number is A6859. Starting right away up front, you have factory fog lamps. A look down the passenger side, you have alloy wheels wrapped with Michelin tires. Inside, cloth interior. Up top you do have a cargo rack. One more look down the passenger side, then swinging around the back end. You have dual point exhaust, rear backup sensors, and a camera. Taking a look in the hatch, there's a 60-40 split on the back seats, so you can fold those down if you need more room. Holiday Automotive is located on the corners of Highways 41 and 23 in Fond du Lac. We are Wisconsin's largest used car dealer, so it's certainly worth the trip. Cruise, audio, and Bluetooth controls. Full touchscreen that includes your stereo. Dual climate control and dual heated seats, and your automatic transmission is here. I shoot videos today because I want to make sure whether you're coming from near or far, you can see this Escape on holidayautomotive.com. That's where you'll schedule your test drive and get a free vehicle history report that's provided by AutoCheck. All of this and much more can be found at holidayautomotive.com.